Hello Blender user, with you Abdel Wadoud Sheikh. In this short video I will show you how to make this scene. His show studio lighting like this. The background is white for a better preview. Okay, let's begin. First of all, we open the Blender vray. We'll delete the cube. I will add the plane with skull like this. I will change the lamp to hemi for the background image. I will to 5 front orthograph view R. I will enable the screencast view to see what my screen cast key. Tap N T like this. Now I will add a spotlight like this. I go to rotate and go to top view. G, rotate one more time. I will make the cursor here like this. I will make here a cube for dimming to 1, 3 like this. Okay, I will set up the camera 1, 3. The camera will come here. Control Alt 0 and J for the middle mouse to okay. J like this. Set 7 and I will rotate the spot like this. I will add the area light 1, 3 and we choose rectangular. We choose here 6.5 and 11 and rotate like this. We go to top view, R to rotate, and like this. Okay. You can play with the satellite lighting, but like this is good. Okay. Now I will go to property for the lighting. Area light 3, intensity 3, caustic 1, caustic 1, diffusion specular, diffusion specular 1. Okay. Now we go to spotlight. Is 2. Spotlight. Go to the setting of the light. In the area light is 3. Caustic 1. Check in your light normal. Diffusion specular 1. Now we go to the spotlight. Intensity 2. RGB color is 0.2. 0.52 and 0.111. Okay. Shape sphere, shadow UV 0.1, tab 0.1, caustic subdiffuse, caustic subdiffuse 2, 1000. Caustic multiplier 1.5. Photon sub 2000. Diffuse multiplier 1. Okay. Angle size 52.9 and the blend 0.650. I will okay. Now we go to the Hemi light. I will check invisible intensity 0.7. Okay. Now we go to the floor. We go to the object tab. We go to the wrapper. We check matte surface, affect alpha, shadow, and alpha contribution 9.1, -1, -1. Okay. Now I make render. I will choose for the GI brute force and the sampler progressive. Okay, we make render. You can see is black. We have to set up the environment. We go to split area, node editor, and now we go to Word. Like this, we click X plus and make white. And now we make render. Okay, you can see now I will copy the plant because wireframe mode like this, shift Control C, copy and Control V. Okay, like this you have the plant. XX delete, choose G shift Z. Oh, G shift Z, and we add here. We change the camera, the render view. We go to the render and G like this, and we make render. This is how to do the studio light. Thank you, and next time, goodbye.